To make these popsicles, you'll need fresh strawberries diced into tiny pieces, honey, strawberry yogurt, sugar, and cream.
Hi people, we are pouring in this sugar. Let's get it on. Let's prepare all of it.
All of it. Awesome job. And that's going to let the juice of the strawberries come out. They're going to get really, really sweet. So we can toss it with our spoon.
Okay, toss it like this.
And while those strawberries hang out, we're going to whisk together the yogurt and the cream. For the yogurt, I definitely recommend the Liberté whole milk variety in either strawberry or coconut. It's really rich and more like a dessert. And then add a 1/4 cup of real honey. Use the good stuff. Have you guys seen, there's a Netflix documentary on honey and how the fake stuff is just flooding the market lately, and it's so bad for you. And a lot of it is stuff you can find in the grocery store. So try to buy local honey if you can, especially in a recipe like this where you're going to be adding so much of it and you want to reap the taste and the health benefits. Then you're going to grab your popsicle mold. This is just a little $3 mold that I bought somewhere. I've had it for years. And then you want to fill it all the way to the top. So it looks like your strawberries just will not fit in there and they're going to fall out. But we want loads and loads of strawberries. So all the way to the top, push it down a little bit, and then we're going to pour the yogurt base on top of it. Kind of slam it down on the counter a little bit so it settles in, and then let it sit for at least 6 hours to overnight. I hope that you guys have the chance to make this with your family and friends. You can see how easy it is, and it's kind of winding down to the end of strawberry season. So you might have some extra strawberries in your fridge that you can go ahead and whip this up right now. It's mostly ingredients that you hopefully already have in. Hope you guys have a delicious day, and I'll see you next time.